Well, we're in a lovely place with nice people. Got Mr. Paul here, got the Browns here, Nick and Jenna here, the Hedgehogs are here. But it didn't start this well. It started with a bit of a problem. M6, not happy with the M6. No, not at all. Not necessarily the M6. People on the M6, drivers, hate them. Absolutely hate them. The problem with them, though, is you didn't catch them on camera. No, I'm ranting here. Absolutely ranting. Because the camera, the dash camera, didn't catch the fool that nearly pushes off the motorway on the M6. So we've got to change the dash cam. And because I'm impatient, ordered one on Amazon. It's coming to...
Shush, you're moaning, as per normal. Eat this.
Ordered one on Amazon. It's coming today. Right, I'm going to go nourish this and then pick the dash cam up.
Disappeared, and now he's back. What are you up to?
Look at the dash cam. So that's the dash cam. It didn't realise it comes with all sorts. It's actually got a dash cam wiring kit. Comes with an SD card. And I've never seen this on any dash cam ever.
Filters. An
ND filter. So the one we've gone for is the T130 VIOFO or VIOFO, can't remember. Really good. It's got a front and a rear camera. We're not going to be able to use the rear, but the reason we went for this one and the reason we're fitting this one is the infrared's great. It does all the usual GPS, speed, put your edge in, stuff like that, all stuff that you can use in the course of law. But as well as recording forwards, it also records backwards as well. Now, if someone's at the side of the van and they're causing a bit of an issue, the rear facing one towards you, you can flip that. Oh, that. Never seen that before. The only issue we've got is that this one sticks to the window. The other one stuck to the window.
So the reason we need to take them off is we have these blinds. So when we shut the blinds, the other camera that we had stuck out too far, but we could unclip it. Whereas this one is just gonna...
hopefully it fits behind.
Stick on, and then hopefully, but I don't know.
Could be lucky.
We might just get away with that, Mr. Neil.
Always an issue, innit?
Can you just fit this already? Stop moaning.
Right, we're fitted. It's in. It's done. It's on there. And the bonus thing is, I didn't need to use the wiring kit with it. I just plugged it because I've got a cigarette lighter up there, which connects us to this switch. It just works. Okay, fair enough. With it connecting to the switch, none of the parking stuff when you're away from the vehicle will work because that needs to be on like a permanent live. But it was just easier, and I wanted it all in easy and properly. So checked it all out. It does have an app that comes with it, so you can view everything that's recorded on it and change all the settings on the app. It's just a really good quality camera. Sony sensor in it, front and rear camera, and it's also one that goes in your back as well, which we probably won't use because there's no chance of us getting the camera through the back, and it does go internally on the back window as well. But absolutely brilliant. If you are going to get one and you are interested, I'm going to leave the links in the description below, and go from there. I don't know about you, but when we use Google Maps, it tends to basically not help us a lot. Or you are in a place where you are using Google Maps and someone phoned you and you don't know where you're going. So I've actually got on board the sat-nav because we kind of needed one, and we're going into Europe. The one we've got, which is a Garmin one, and I did have a look. I had a look on all sorts of different websites and all sorts of reviews and things like that. Reason for going for it, it had really good reviews. Plus, Amazon done that pay £49 for like 5 months or something like that, whatever it was. So you're stretching it out over a couple of months. You're not just bang £249 out the window. We're not made of money. Just seemed better to do it that way. So I'm going to have a play with that in a minute. I'll show you. I'm not going to do a product review or nothing like that on it, but I'll just show you which one we got. We've kind of got to make space on the dashboards. We did have the discussion last night with this lot and a few others over Google Maps. Your thoughts on using Google Maps?
So far, so good.
Well, yours doesn't work very well.
See, now that's a complete lie from what they all said last night. They all agreed that it was a pain in the arse?
Yeah, mine works alright.
Paul Brown. Paul uses 2. The Browns use 3. And when Sue is awake, that's 4. What do you use, Alex?
Waze or Apple Maps.
He uses Waze or Apple Maps. So we've gone and bought an actual sat-nav. They all agreed with me last night that Google Maps was crap. So Paul uses TomTom and Google Maps and still gets lost. Out of the corner of my eye, Mr. Bloomfield has just pulled up right there. Right, probably got to piss a few people off here because I'm now wearing another hat. Yeah, I know, wearing another hat.
It's not a cap though.
No, that's a lovely cap you've got on there.
Well, it's keeping all this out of the way.
What, your donkey head?
My donkey head, yeah.
Yeah, anyway. Right, what's going on, Em? We fitted the camera. Camera works fine. It even talks to us.
Does it?
Wi-Fi enabled. Recording. 2 channels started.
Oh, she fancy.
So we've got that going, and now that's all done. What are you doing?
I am making some food.
Right, now, if you've seen the travel trolls, Emma's doing one set of food, which that would probably do Dan. That's probably equivalent to what Mazzy cooks for Dan per night, but that's going to do like 12 people.
I think it's 14 people.
There's all sorts of stuff going on here. I don't know what any of this does. I just know it feeds you.
Right, so I'm looking after the vegetarian aspect of the group.
Right.
Majority, because we've got people who eat different things. So we're up, Paul, Sue and I are doing chilli. I'm going to do the veggie chilli. Sue's doing the meat chilli. Paul's looking after the rice.
Right.
We are doing a communal effort.
Let's go and see what Paul's doing. Also, more people have turned up, and one of them is on an Amazon shopping spree.
Well, no thanks to you.
No,
You
apparently I'm getting the blame, but it's really Graham's fault, not me. Mr. Brown is on the olives.
No, that's Paul now, but he's got to give him the blame for that one.
Apparently Paul was on rice duty. You been doing rice?
No, not yet.
Right, Paul's not doing rice.
He is, but it's not yet.
Tell you what though, they're lovely. Sexy Sue's up to something.
I am so proud of this. Look at this. Hey,
What have we got going on?
we've got chili going on. Proper chili. I am so proud. 4 years of college experience. City and Guilds 7061, 7062. Meat and chili, and don't show them the bin with the empty Dolmio cans. And
No, freshly
baked
made.
bins. All freshly made, yeah.
Lovely.
Little hint of red wine.
I mean, when Sue says a little hint of red wine, probably a bottle and a half. John is getting attacked by the fire.
Yeah, someone keeps putting too much wood on it.
I mean, he's literally sitting on top of the fire. Where have you injured?
It's burnt a hole in my sock
Yeah.
and a burnt a hole in my head now as well. Interesting. Thank you.
It'll be better now. So we found a brand new use for power banks, but only EcoFlows.
Yeah.
So we've now got the EcoFlow games going on. So we're going to see how long the lads. Alex is currently using the older EcoFlow Delta Mini, and Andy has got the brand new Delta 2, which is far superior to the Delta Mini. And Alex seems to be struggling a little bit there. Andy's doing all right.
And look how big mine is compared.
No, Alex is giving it. This man's
So
got
now
the
it's
power.
just showmanship.
So this is also proven that the new Delta 2 is
Lighter.
better.
Than the original.
Apparently it's a little bit lighter, but 20% more battery. We will be doing a full video on it, but you're doing well, aren't you,
Have you stopped your review? Can I put it down?
No, you just keep going.
Ladies and gentlemen, tonight we have a feast of meat chili,
Vegetarian chili, spicy Mexican potatoes, salad. flatbreads and
rice pudding and overcooked pasta.
Dig in and enjoy, yes.
So this is going to be a bit noisy, but we have been sent a wireless pump. It's got a battery inside. Just inside there, there's a USB. So it can be used as a power bank. So the links will be in the description if you want to check them out. They are a really good idea because you don't need to take a power bank with you if you are going somewhere, and you just throw it in the bag and off you go. So everyone's putting the boards up and it's time to go out and get on the water. And it's a beautiful day. Even Mr. Paul's doing his, but we're a bit disappointed because the pirate's here and he's got no craft. Have you?
Yeah, I haven't purchased or no one sent me a yoga board yet.
Anyone's watching? Alex needs a
Outdoor master.
Outdoor master, yeah, come on. We've come across a swing for Emma. Right there.
I can't reach that.
Someone lift me up.
No, we should go stand there and watch Sandra struggle.
No, you don't need to lift me up by the bottom. Higher!
As you can see, this is not going down very well. Oh, Emma's going to try.
No. It's very slippy, that rope, isn't it?
1, 2, 3.
Ah, hey! Oh, I got your fingers. Help me, I'm very close now.
And still no one can do it. Absolutely rubbish. It's ordering food around the smallest table.
What do you want?
You sign up for a mortgage.
We moved from the Pooleybridge Inn because it was a little bit shit, and we're now in the Crown Inn, which is lovely. I mean, lovely. These are all happy. These are all happy. There doesn't seem to be really any ancient angry dwarves in this place either. We found a hedgehog. There he is, Mr. Hedgehog. Nick thinks hedgehogs can text.
Text.
Exactly, no, he can't text. Well, last night was entertaining. And found a hedgehog as well, which you don't expect to see, and he was a big boy. Big boy. I was going to show you the sat-nav we bought. I'll show you now. So we got that one, which is the Garmin camper van. Seems alright. Reason behind it, I was getting fed up of Google. Sometimes we seem to be ahead of Google, which was a bit of a nightmare. So we got that one. The camera's been installed. That's done. I actually ordered that to the post office in Pooleybridge, which is handy. You got to admit, Amazon is kind of cool like that. Feels weird now, doesn't it?
Why? Because everyone's leaving us.
Look, Paul's gone, Browns have gone, Alex has gone, Hedgehogs have gone, Nick and Jen have gone, David and Sandra left. You're here for another night, aren't you?
Yeah.
Lucky for some. Lucky for some to get the lake to themselves. Boo. So we are going to head back now. Got a mountain of work to do when we get home. These two lovely people are staying there. He's looking sexy in his outfit, and Sandra's keeping warm at the table. So that's us done. Lock the solar down, empty the poo box, and go, go, go.
Go, Joe. Go, go.
Easy for her to say.
I'm tired.
Anyway, right.
Your mouth.
I'm going now, so catch you later. Might just be me in future. By the way, if you didn't know, we are on, where are we?
Waterside House Farm.
Yeah, Waterside House Farm or Waterside House Campsite, Pooleybridge, lovely. Also, if you are going as a Pooleybridge, we do recommend the pub that backs onto the pool.
The Crown Inn.
The Crown Inn. Looked beautiful.
We had a nice drink in there.
Yes, we did. Lovely. Also, that was the one that got really, really flooded when 2015 waters come in. So they've spruced it up now, and it does look fantastic, doesn't it?
We had a nice little cup of tea in there as well, didn't
Yes, afternoon tea in there with the group of us. So yeah, dogs are causing murder. Right, let's go.
we? Go.
Yeah, in van, jog on.
Bye bye.
Bye bye.